Hey guys, Corey again, and I am today going over this tool that I was alerted of, the videotoblog.ai. Um, Tool is, I took I took yesterday's video actually, and I ran it through this thing to see what it would produce. And one of the things I noticed, and I've edited this already, but the thing that I noticed about it was it kind of generalized the topic to from Air.ai to just AI in general. So what it had here was it just said AI using a licensed AI agency for your business, and I really specifically wanted to say Air.ai, and I kind of capitalize the air on this thing. So I went through this and took all of the places that it said AI and evaluated whether or not they should say just AI or it should say air, because it's saying air AI over and over kind of got a little much too. But it was, just interesting to see exactly how this thing generalized the information that I gave. So this was, I'm not sure if this was yesterday's video or before. Anyhow, it it generalized some of the concepts, but in others it really picked up the nuances and the things that were there. So it added more information too, because AIR is all about conversational AI. This particular one, this particular introduction was, they talked about chatbots. They talked about, just kind of generic AI technology, but didn't really specifically say Air.ai, even though that's what was in the video. So it's got the YouTube video that I posted right in here, and it took the text from that and generated all of this. So things that I do like, number one, it generated this thing in short order, really fast. I didn't actually capture that in the recording to see exactly how long it took, but it is it was pretty good. It wrote an introduction and it used some tags here, and I didn't dig into it yet to see exactly which tags are being used on these things. But it did capture the main points. It wrote an introduction and then it captured the main points. Expert support and training. Now, this is something that Air AI license agencies do. They wrap around the Air offering. So this is what the agency offers, but then Air offers these two things generally for licensed agency holders. Or yeah, anyway. So dedicated priority support. So expert training, support and training. Of course, we're trained by Air, so that is good that that we can utilize that and then support the customer through that or customer agencies through that. Dedicated priority support. This is again through the license holder, but it goes directly to Air. So we've got access there. So it captured those concepts, also the priority access to enhanced servers. And it picked that out of the conversation when I was talking. And it picked all of this out, but I mean, I thought that was interesting. So it just goes down piece by piece here and kind of walks through each of these aspects that are from the video and turned it into a really nice outline and also brought in this concept of the done for you services. Now I mentioned that in the video, but it put it down, down at the bottom, and then gave a short conclusion. So I came through here and put, like I said, Air AI, or some of it I left the AI in there, and I put in Air in a lot of places just so it wasn't like saying Air.ai all over the place. But um, I think it did a pretty good job of capturing the content of this video. Now you can watch this or just read this kind of a summary here. So that was really good. outside of that, or in addition to that, I should say, we have the ability to just push this button and create a blog. And I forget, I think I did push that, but let's check this guy here. I can do a link, just copy the link. But one of the things I did was I took this HTML and, it's got these different formats that you can output. These two are paid. Anyway, I took this HTML and then I just put it into Groove Pages and created a little blog over there, which was interesting. Maybe you can log into Groove. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let that kind of log in. And I took the HTML and just pasted it in. I think we might be able to just do that again because it didn't, I had some issues trying to save this. And that did not load. So anyhow, it copied this whole thing as HTML and allowed me to paste it into a blog post, and just this tiny little window that they gave for a blog post, I pasted that thing in there. I did not look at the text markdown, but you could just press these buttons and it just copies it into your buffer, and you can then paste it over there in wherever you post your blogs. So that's pretty nice. Let me see here. So it has some other options here to go to Medium and to Blogger. You can also put it out on Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn and WhatsApp. I didn't know this. Apparently you can do some posting in WhatsApp. I have no idea what that does. Maybe I should take a look at that and get back with everybody on it. That was a weird one. Anyhow, to go to a regular WordPress site, well, WordPress.com is different than WordPress.org, but this should generate the content that we need to put on a WordPress blog. Anyhow, I thought that was a very nice little touch. Let's see if we can get in here. We'll look down here at Groove Pages. Groove, what was it? Oh, it was called Groove Blog. All right. Going to go here, and I took, conversational AI topic. So let's see what happened here. And I don't see it. I don't know how to use this very well. So, yeah, that's not what I want. Visit the blog. Can't do that. It was, okay. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if we can do this. We'll make a post. And, oh yeah, here's the post. Oh, that's why it's not showing up. Okay, so I will delete this one, and because I had some trouble on the platform. Let's just go ahead and delete this bad boy. How do I do that? It doesn't matter. I will create a new one. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I just took the HTML. That's weird. I took away the menu. It popped this thing up. I took away the HTML, or I took the HTML and just pasted it in here. It needs some formatting adjustments, but generally it was pretty darn easy to do. And I did add this line down here when I was editing the HTML. Now the HTML is edited through a little tiny window here. Let's see. You can't see anything there. I forget how I edited this thing. Preview, publish, save draft. Oh, no, I'm in editing. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. So this is the little tiny window that I was talking about. I scrolled down here and I just basically copied this, their little branding that they stuck on the bottom of the video, and I created my own with the Air, with my Air affiliate link or my Air agency link. It says affiliate, but it's really an agency link, and put that in there. Boy, this is a tiny little thing. So I took that HTML and embedded it in here and created this little blog post. And it looks like I've got some things to clean up. But let's publish it. Let's see what happens. And here we are. Let's see. We just published it. Maybe that didn't work. All right. So switch to draft, edit post. We're gonna go back and see if we can find. There it is. It's live. I don't know why it's not showing the. It's not showing the video or the. I must have to set a thumbnail for that somehow. And let's see here. Visit the blog. I thought that was on here. All right, so that is not on there, and it does. It has some differences. I wonder if we exported it and brought it in as text markdown. I don't know if that would make a difference or not. To try it, let's go back and do another post. Let's see what we got. New post, and we will enter a description. So this is HTML. That I don't know what that is. Well, let's try it. Let's see what it does. Yep, that's ugly. So we'll just X that. We do not save. We'll go back here. I'll just do a demo quickly of the HTML version. Let's see what that does. Integration needed. Okay. Integration needed. Yeah. So you must have to integrate your all of these look like they require integration. Let's try WordPress. Integration needed there too. So we are down to this one. That doesn't matter. I just copied the HTML in there. I go back to Groove Pages. I do a new post, and right here, and I enter HTML mode. Just pasted it in there. I don't know if I can fix that formatting. It's conclusion. Yeah, well, it's just doing a paragraph and the spacing, whatever's predefined in there. Header two. Header two. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if we'll be able to fix that on this platform, but let's see what happens. We just pasted that in there and see what it does. That was pretty good. That's got better spacing. So I'll save it and then I'll publish it. All titles required. And let's see what it's. I think that worked. All right, so there it is. Anyhow, that's a quick overview of videotoblog.ai. It took a little tiny bit of editing. It did a pretty good job, pulled the content out, put the video right there. Reasons to use a licensed Air.ai agency for your business. I had to edit that. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.